Hey folks, welcome back. Today we're talking about a recap of the integer rules. We're going to use this chart here. Now, here's how the chart works. First, we got same signs, different sign columns. And then we're going to have our operations, add, subtract, multiply, and divide. And we're going to break each rule down for each one. Now, if we're going to add, and the signs are the same, you're going to what? You're going to find the sum and keep the sign. An example is this. 2 plus 3 equals 5. The signs are the same. So it's a positive 5. If I had negative 2 plus negative 3, the signs are the same. I have a negative, because I'm going to keep it. And then 2 plus 3 is 5. What if I got different signs? If I got a different sign, well, what should I do? You're going to find the difference using the sign of the greater absolute value. And here's what I'm talking about, folks. Let's say I have 2 plus negative 3. 2 plus negative 3. First off, if I use absolute values, which one's bigger? The negative 3 or the 2? Absolute value wise, the 3 is bigger, right? So that tells me my sign is a negative. Find the difference of the absolute values. That means subtract them. And then 3 minus 2 is 1. And that's your answer. The answer to that problem is negative 1. Okay, let's look at some subtraction. If you're subtraction with, well, let's look at this. Subtracting with the same signs. Here's your rules. First, we're going to keep the first number the same. Change the subtraction sign to a positive or a plus sign. And then change the second number to its opposite or its inverse. And then we're going to add using addition rules. Here's what I mean. 5 minus 3 equals what? Well, we could say 5 minus 3 equals 2. We can say that. We can also do this. I'm going to rewrite it down here. 5 plus a negative 3. I kept the 5, changed the sign, changed the operation, then changed the sign of the second number. Now, if I use my addition rules for different signs over here, the absolute values of the 5 and of the negative 3, the 5's bigger, so I'm going to have a positive. And then 5 minus 3 is 2. So my answer turns out to be 2. Now, what about subtracting different signs? Rule's going to be the same. You're going to keep the first number the same, change the subtraction sign to an addition sign, and then change the second number to its opposite. And then use addition rules. Right? Add using addition rules. So let's look at another one. How about I change it up? How about I go negative 5 minus a positive 3? What would that be? If I use this here, keep, change, I'm going to keep negative 5 the same. I'm going to change that to addition, and I'm going to change that sign to a negative. So now I've got negative 5 plus negative 3. Are those signs the same or different? Those signs are the same now, right? Negative 5 plus negative 3 is what? Now the signs are the same. I keep it negative, and then 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, a couple of more left. Multiplying. What are the rules for multiplying? What is it? If the signs are the same for multiplying, the product, the result of the answer will be what? It's going to be positive. if the signs are different, the product, the result of, the answer will be what? It'll be negative. Here's an example. 3 times 4. Are those signs the same? Yep, that equals 12. Well, negative 3 times negative 4. Guess what? Those signs are the same too, right? Negative times a negative gives you a positive result. 3 times 4 is 12. Both of these give you the same answer of 12. But what if they were different? Negative 2 times 3. Those signs are different. My answer is going to be a negative. 2 times 3 is 6. Got it? If the signs are different, it's a negative result. If the signs are the same, it's a positive result. What about dividing? What about dividing? Remember that quotient or quotient is a result of dividing. And if the signs are the same, it's just like multiplication, you get a positive result. And if the signs are different, you get a negative result. So, if the signs are the same, 6 divided by 3 equals 2. And it's a positive 2. Okay, what if I have a negative 6 divided by a negative 3? Are those signs the same? They are, right? Guess what? It's going to be positive because the signs are the same, and then 6 divided by 6 divided by 3, it's a 2. If the signs are different, what do we say? If the signs are different, the result, the answer, the quotient is a negative. That means, 6 divided by negative 3, positive divided by negative. The result's going to be negative. 6 divided by negative 3 is 2. So negative 2. Okay? I hope this helped, guys and gals. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to get a hold of us. Let us know how we can help you. Good luck on that exit slip and good luck on that